What's up, GSD leaders? Angela Profit here, your productivity consultant. Let's dive into GSD. That's get stuff done. If you're a Mac user and you just updated your computers to macOS Big Sur and you can't find things, and if you lose track of time, my computer, it used to announce at the top of every hour what time it was to help me keep track of my time. Let me show you where they moved that feature. Open your system preferences. Go to dock and menu bar, which is where they moved it. Scroll down to clock, and you're going to want to make sure that it's checked. Announce the time, and it can do it on the top of the hour. And now you can do it on the half of the hour or the quarter hour, and you can even customize the voice. I also like to show the day of the week and show the date in my menu bar up here in the right-hand corner. So I'm curious, what are your thoughts on the update? Comment below your favorite thing or any of your frustrations. And if you have questions, comment below and I'll make new videos. Take those aggravations away. And if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, like it, and be sure that you're a subscriber so you get our weekly notifications so you can be the most productive you can be. And let's GSD.